Ito pong ating combi walker.
Heavy duty.
So selling this as is, okay? Heavy duty po ito. Working pa po yung kanyang sounds, okay? Already washed na po ito, ready to use na po siya. Okay? So ito po yung kanyang toy sa harapan, ayan. Ayan, kompleto. As you can see.
Battery included.
Okay? Not included po yung battery. Again, selling this as is, okay? And then pwede siyang tanggalin para pwedeng kainan ni baby dito. Okay? So ayan po yung kanyang upuan.
Kung ano po yung nasa video yung
Yes. And then, next natin, na-adjust po siya. Dito siya ina-adjust. Ayan. Pe-press nyo po ito para kung sakali medyo maliit pa si baby. Ayan.
hanggang ganyan lang siya, no?
Yes. Ayan po yung height niya. Pinakamababa. Okay? Yan yung kanyang body frame. Okay na okay yung kanyang wheels. Walang problema sa wheels niya. Okay? So, this is heavy duty and then branded. Combi brand.
Eh, ano mo
Okay?
yung gulong? Kata mo. Walang damage sa wheels. Yung kasi importante, wala dapat damage yung wheels.
Okay? So again, this is selling as is and then selling as low price. Ang brand new price po ito para may idea kayo is nasa 5,999 po.
Kasi
Okay?
ito, tingnan mo, stopper.
Pero makukuha nyo lang sa amin siya ng mababang presyo. Okay? Naka-branded na kayo. And then, working pa yung sounds. Already washed. Gagamitin na lang siya.
Eh, may stopper siya pag i-stop nyo. Pag inapakan nyo siya.
Ayan, dito na meron sa akin. So, ayun po, as you can see, very details po kami sa aming pong pag-video. Kasi ang aming shop policy, no refund, no exchange, what you see is what you get. So, ayun po, maraming salamat. Have a nice day and God bless po. Murang-mura na yan.